surrender my soul. Shed the clothes that become my skin, see a light that burns within my needing. I wish I'd chosen darkness from cold. I wish I'd screamed out loud instead of found no meaning. I guess it's time I run far away, find comfort in pain. All pleasure's the same, it just keeps me from trouble, hides my true shape like a Dorian Gray. I've heard what they say, but I'm not here for trouble. It's more than just words, it's just tears and rain. I wish I could walk through the doors of my mind, hold memory close at hand, help me understand the years. I wish I could choose between heaven and hell. I wish I would save my soul, I'm so cold.